Very nice.
Them to party, you know, and for them come out.
Then I'm in love.
Oh my god.
Hello everyone. We're heading to Falling Edge Waterfalls. Welcome to Neutral Vibes.
Not bad, bro. We explore. So today we're planning an epic adventure to Falling Edge Waterfalls. There we'll be cooking and enjoying the falls, enjoying the river, and we're going to make sure that you enjoy the view and everything that goes along with it, guys. Come on along with us. Let's enjoy the day together. So once you reach the school, guys, you know that's not the end of the journey. You're going to have to park your car at Bowden's Primary, and then you're going to have to trot the rest of the way all the way down on some little dirt track until you find the falls. But guys, trust and believe, the journey, it is so epic, guys. Check it out. After the journey, the beauty was amazing to behold. The water was lovely, but cold and nice. We just dropped everything and just head straight into the water, guys. Trust and believe, we just had to go in. It was just so beautiful, trust me. What's in the pocket? What's in the pocket? Your wallet in your pocket?
Alright. Welcome to Neutral Vibes. Huh? No problem. Neutral Vibes. Uptown girl trying to catch coal fire. Uptown girl trying to catch coal fire. I've never seen such audacity.
I have little use people. Kudos to me. So after we light the stove, we make the coal go and catch. Wash some potatoes, wash them down thoroughly. And then after that, we rinse them off with some spring water. Clean up the edges. Yeah, man. And then we get into business. That's it. Grab the file paper, butter it down, wrap up the potatoes, and yeah, put them on the coal pot. Woo.
So you're going to roast this while.
My season up. Make sense? This one is nicer. So hi guys, we're here at Falling Edge Waterfall. So we're gonna prepare a very sumptuous meal for us today, for you tonight, and I want you guys to look and enjoy. So we're here with some roasted potatoes. We're gonna roast some potatoes. They're already wrapped in foil and butter, and so we're going to place them onto the cold pot and let it stay there. While our potatoes are baking, we're going to prepare ourselves some curry shrimp. We're going to prepare the seasoning for the curry shrimp. Please stay with us. It's going to be so epic, guys. Nice. Very, very nice. Kind of pretty company better.
Yeah. It's pretty. Cool.
sense. And the cold pot. People, look at the beautiful vegetables. Ready for the curry shrimp. The coal was burning out real fast and you had to go and look some wood, some dry wood for the fire.
You are ready to eat when you're there?
Huh?
Let's go straight through it.
Alright, good.
Well, on this channel, we are willing to explore all of Jamaica's hidden beauty, and this is one of them. This is one of them. This is the Falling Edge Waterfalls, all the way in St. Andrew, Jamaica.
Very ready, people. So soft. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Everything?
Everything will everyone shows stuff.
Maybe one more rinse.
Check it out.
Not ready yet. More next.
Oh?
No, we did it up for a while. Can't put my hand there so when I turn on. Right, curry shrimp, people. Really, chef, the chef is doing her thing at its best. Yeah, just like that. Go. Nice. Yum, yum.
Can I get the bottom?
Be careful. This is so good. Oh my god. Not because I did it, but it's very, very good. You like it? Peppery. It's the right amount of pepper.
No, neutral vibe. Neutral vibe. Alright?
Yeah, man, so all food taste. It's spicy?
Delicious. Very nice. I'm in love.
Oh my god, it's
Nice,
oh my
nice.
god.
I'm nice in food. Hey.
It's a nice.
I'm the best.
I
Oh,
bet.
man. Yeah, man, the best.
So we came to the Falling Edge Waterfalls today for an epic cookout. It was a success.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share. This is it for this evening, guys. As you can see, it's getting dark and it's time to go home. Love you guys. Thanks
Love
to our
you.
subscribers.
Bye.
Bye. Neutral vibes.
One neutral vibe.